1. Appearance introduction. On the top of tester, there are dustproof cover, test plane, sample clamp, guide rail, load cell, filament, sled, and spirit bubble. The spirit bubble indicates the level of tester. There are also microprinter, LCD screen, operation panel, and indicators in front of tester. At the back of tester, there are RS-232 serial port, nameplate, power port, power switch, and fuse. 2. Sample. The sample shall be free of creases, contamination, folds, or dusts, etc. Condition the sample according to ASTM D1894 standard prior to test. The specimen that is to be attached to the plane shall be cut 250 mm in the machine direction and 130 mm in the transverse direction. The sample that is to be attached to the sled shall be cut 100 mm square. If the sample is of rigid material, the specimen that is to be attached to the sled shall be cut 63.5 mm square. 5 specimens shall be tested for each sample. 3. Parameter settings. Press any key other than reset key to get into the main interface. Press right arrow key, select preset item. Press enter key to get into preset interface. Press down arrow key, set test standard to ASTM D1894. Press enter key. Set rest time to 15 seconds. Set MUS time to 8 seconds. Test speed is default 150 mm per minute and cannot be changed. Always press enter key to save when a parameter is changed. Press return key and to return to preset screen. Select a mount item and change the value to 05. Set sled to 200 grams. Set band to 80%. Set print to Y. After test is finished, press test key and microprinter will print out test report automatically. Always press enter key to save when a parameter is changed. Press return key to return to main interface. When test item is selected, press enter key and enter test screen. Check if return indicator is on. If not, it means the driving mechanism is not at the initial position. Press return key and do not start the test until return indicator goes on. 4. Mount the specimens. When mounting the specimens, please do not touch the testing area, both on the sled and on the testing plane. If the testing specimen is curving, please use adhesive tape to glue the edges on the testing plane. 5. Start test. Press test key and T on the test screen start timing. After 15 seconds of rest time, the test plane starts to move and the T starts retiming. When T reaches 60 seconds, end indicator is on and a test is over. The force versus displacement curve is shown on the screen. Press return key. Starts next test when return indicator is on. When test time reaches 5, a group of tests are finished. Press test key and the test report can be printed out by the microprinter automatically. On the test report, μS and μD are average values of static coefficient friction and dynamic coefficient friction respectively. Delta S and delta D are standard deviations of standard coefficient friction and dynamic coefficient friction. 6. Treatment after test. Turn off the tester. Clean the workbench. Keep the tester clean and tidy. Set the protective hood well.